What if a 1979 Jeep Pickup could outmuscle modern trucks, conquer any trail, and still turn heads at every car show? Meet the $419 $900 Jeep J20 4x4 Beast. What's up, everyone? Subscribe to the channel because today we're looking at one of the toughest and most impressive classic trucks ever built, the legendary 1979 Jeep J20 Pickup 4x4. This isn't just another restored classic. This is a fully upgraded off-road monster that combines vintage American truck styling with serious trail-ready capability and show-quality presentation. Finished in a striking red exterior, this J20 commands attention before the engine even starts. The bold paintwork highlights the truck's muscular body lines, while the chrome trim adds a touch of classic American luxury. From every angle, this Jeep looks ready to dominate both the show field and the backcountry, but the real story begins when you pop the hood. Sitting beneath that long hood is a powerful 360 cubic inch V8 engine. This legendary power plant helped establish Jeep's reputation for durability and capability during the golden era of American trucks. Feeding the V8 is an Edelbrock carburetor paired with an aluminum intake, allowing improved airflow and enhanced performance compared to stock configurations. Turn the key and the V8 comes alive with a deep, unmistakable rumble. The sound alone tells you this truck means business. Every press of the throttle reminds you why big displacement American V8 engines remain icons decades after they were built. Backing up the engine is a TH400 3-speed automatic transmission. Known for its incredible durability and strength, the Turbo Hydromatic 400 has long been considered one of General Motors' toughest transmissions. It's the perfect companion for a heavy-duty four-wheel drive truck like this J20. Power is delivered through solid factory-style front and rear axles with a 3-5-5-1 gear ratio. This setup provides an excellent balance between highway cruising and off-road capability. Whether you're crawling over rocks, climbing steep trails, or cruising down the interstate, this Jeep is built to handle the challenge. One look at the stance tells you this truck is far from ordinary. A Skyjacker 4-inch lift gives the J20 an aggressive posture while providing increased ground clearance for serious off-road adventures. Combined with massive 35-inch Mickey Thompson Baja tires mounted on Mickey Thompson aluminum wheels, the truck achieves a commanding presence that's impossible to ignore. Those giant tires don't just look good, they deliver real-world capability. They provide outstanding traction on dirt, mud, rocks, and uneven terrain, making this classic Jeep a true off-road warrior. And when the terrain gets truly challenging, the worn 12,000-pound winch mounted to the heavy-duty front bumper stands ready for action. Whether you're recovering another vehicle or pulling yourself out of a difficult situation, this powerful winch adds another layer of confidence to any adventure. The heavy-duty rear bumper features a receiver-style hitch, adding practicality to the truck's impressive list of capabilities. It's a reminder that this Jeep was designed not only to look tough, but also to work hard. Stopping power has been significantly upgraded as well. Four-wheel power disc brakes paired with a Wilwood master cylinder provide improved braking performance and reliability. Combined with power steering, the truck delivers a driving experience that's far more enjoyable than many classic trucks of the era. One of the most impressive aspects of this build is the attention paid underneath. The painted underside showcases the quality of the restoration and demonstrates the care invested in preserving this classic truck. New hardware throughout the chassis contributes to the fresh, detailed appearance. Then there are the electric exhaust cutouts. This feature allows the driver to instantly transform the truck's personality. With the touch of a button, exhaust flow can be redirected for a significantly louder and more aggressive sound. It's the kind of feature that never gets old and guarantees smiles every time it's activated. Open the door and you'll discover an interior that perfectly blends vintage Jeep character with thoughtful upgrades. The front bucket seats feature eye-catching orange accents that complement the truck's bold exterior. The combination creates a custom look without sacrificing the classic spirit of the vehicle. Black carpeting provides contrast while maintaining a clean and refined appearance. The red painted dashboard continues the exterior color theme inside the cabin, creating a cohesive design that feels both unique and purposeful. Engine-turned metal dash accents add a touch of hot rod styling and craftsmanship. It's a subtle detail that immediately catches your attention and elevates the interior beyond a typical restoration. Factory-style gauges preserve the authentic appearance while allowing the driver to monitor vital vehicle functions with ease. The upgraded radio introduces modern entertainment without disrupting the truck's classic atmosphere. Convenience features include power windows and functional HVAC controls, making the truck more comfortable to drive and enjoy regardless of the season. Air conditioning is another major advantage. Many classic trucks sacrifice comfort for nostalgia, but this J20 delivers both. Whether you're attending a summer car show or heading out on a road trip, the climate-controlled cabin enhances the overall ownership experience. Additional interior controls include the remote exhaust cutout switch and winch remote, placing important off-road functions within easy reach of the driver. As you sit behind the wheel, it's easy to imagine tackling mountain trails, crossing deserts, or simply cruising through town. This truck offers a unique driving experience that modern pickups often struggle to replicate. What makes this 1979 Jeep J20 truly special is its versatility. It can be a show truck, an off-road machine, a weekend cruiser, or a collector vehicle all at the same time. Few classic trucks manage to blend rugged utility, custom styling, and everyday enjoyment so effectively at an asking price of $119,900. This isn't simply a truck purchase, it's an opportunity to own one of the most impressive full Jeep builds available today. The extensive upgrades, exceptional presentation, and iconic Jeep heritage combine to create a vehicle that's both collectible and usable. More than 4 decades after it first rolled off the assembly line, this 1979 Jeep J20 continues to prove why classic American trucks remain so desirable. It's bold, powerful, capable, and unforgettable. And in a world filled with ordinary pickups, this red Jeep J20 stands as a reminder that true legends never go out of style.